Welcome to a journey to unveil the mysteries of Jupiter, the king of our solar system. Not only is Jupiter the largest planet, but it's also believed to be the oldest. Scientists theorize it formed just 1 million years after the birth of our Sun, making it the first of our solar system's planets to condense from the swirling dust and gas. Throughout this video, we'll explore the secrets Jupiter holds, from its colossal size and powerful storms to its captivating moons and mesmerizing magnetosphere. So, buckle up, space adventurers, because we're about to embark on a voyage to discover the wonders of Jupiter.
Hello and welcome to my channel Beyond Earth. Let's explore Jupiter like never before.
Imagine a planet so massive it could swallow up all the other planets in our solar system combined. That's Jupiter. Unlike Earth and Mars, Jupiter is a swirling ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. These gases are constantly on the move, creating the beautiful bands and the iconic Great Red Spot, a swirling storm that's been around for centuries. But wait, hydrogen and helium, aren't they the key ingredients for nuclear fusion? The process that powers stars such as our Sun? Well, yes, Jupiter is kind of like a failed star, but there's a catch. For fusion to ignite, a star needs to be much more massive than Jupiter. We're talking about being around 75 times more massive. This extra mass creates immense pressure at the core, hot enough to trigger the fusion reaction that makes stars shine. Jupiter just doesn't have the heft to reach that critical point. So, it remains a giant ball of gas, a magnificent failed star wannabe. Jupiter's atmosphere is anything but calm. Imagine a swirling vortex of gas, whipped by powerful winds that reach speeds exceeding 400 kilometers per hour. This is the reality on Jupiter, a world where storms rage in a mesmerizing dance of color and chaos. Here's a deeper dive into the whirlwind that is Jupiter's atmosphere. The most recognizable feature of this swirling dance is the Great Red Spot, an anticyclonic storm larger than Earth. It's been churning for centuries, a reddish-orange blemish on the planet's swirling surface. Scientists believe the red color may come from complex interactions between sunlight and chemicals like phosphorus or ammonia rising from deep within Jupiter. The Great Red Spot may be the star of the show, but it's not alone. Jupiter's atmosphere is a canvas painted with a variety of storms, each with its own unique characteristics. These are anticyclonic storms, similar to the Great Red Spot but smaller and shorter-lived. They appear white due to ammonia crystals condensing in their upper layers. In contrast to white ovals, dark spots are anticyclones that appear dark because they may be pulling up deeper atmospheric layers with less reflective materials. These are smaller swirling storms that can be cyclonic, rotating counterclockwise, or anticyclonic. They come and go, adding to the dynamic nature of Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's magnetic field reigns supreme in our solar system, clocking in at 20 times stronger than Earth's. This translates into a colossal magnetosphere, a bubble of charged particles that acts as a shield, deflecting harmful solar wind from pummeling the planet and its moons. The boundary between the solar wind and the magnetosphere is a dynamic region, with the bow shock slowing down the incoming wind and the magnetopause marking the pressure balance point. Here, the solar wind and Jupiter's magnetic field create a mesmerizing dance. Birkeland currents flow along magnetic lines, fueling the breathtaking Jovian auroras. Meanwhile, volcanic eruptions on Io contribute to the formation of a donut-shaped plasma torus, further adding to the complexity of this magnetic marvel. Imagine if this invisible dance were visible from Earth. Jupiter's magnetosphere, if it glowed in wavelengths our eyes could detect, would appear absolutely massive. It would dwarf both the Sun and the Moon in size, stretching across the sky like a vast shimmering bubble. The vibrant greens, blues, and violets of the Jovian auroras would paint the edges of this colossal structure, adding an otherworldly beauty to the night sky. Jupiter's magnetosphere wouldn't just be a spectacle, it would be a constant reminder of the powerful forces at play in our solar system, and the vital role magnetic fields play in protecting planets and their potential for life. Jupiter isn't alone. It has a whole court of moons orbiting it, 95 known till now. These moons come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny potato-shaped rocks to colossal worlds like Ganymede, dwarfing even Mercury. But here's the real kicker. Some of these moons are hiding secrets that could change everything we know about life in the universe. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is a prime suspect in the search for extraterrestrial life. This icy world is believed to harbor a vast ocean beneath its frozen surface, potentially creating a warm, habitable environment. Scientists are super excited about this because oceans often mean life, and Europa could be a place where life forms as we know them, or something entirely different could exist. Europa isn't the only moon with surprises. Io, another of Jupiter's moons, is a volcanic wonderland. This moon is the most geologically active body in our solar system, spewing plumes of sulfur dioxide that paint its surface a fiery red. It's like a constant fireworks display on Io, fueled by the tidal forces from Jupiter and its neighboring moons. Beyond the extremes of Europa and Io, the moons Ganymede and Callisto offer further intrigue. Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, boasts a subsurface ocean and a thin atmosphere. Callisto, on the other hand, is an ancient, heavily cratered world. Studying these diverse moons gives us clues about how Jupiter's system formed and the potential for hidden oceans across the solar system. It's like piecing together a giant cosmic puzzle. Unveiling Jupiter's mysteries is an ongoing quest. Pioneering space probes like Pioneer, Galileo, and Juno have ventured into the Jovian system, providing close-up views of the planet's atmosphere, composition, and moons. Telescopes like Hubble have captured stunning visuals of Jupiter's storms and auroras, while future telescopes promise even more detailed observations. Missions like Europa Clipper aim to answer the question of life beyond Earth by searching for signs of a hidden ocean beneath the icy surface of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. By analyzing data from Juno's daring dives into the atmosphere, scientists are piecing together the composition of Jupiter's mysterious core. Even Jupiter's faint rings, made up of dust and debris, hold clues about the system's history. Yes, Jupiter has rings, and that will be discussed further in the video, so stay tuned.
The discovery of potential subsurface oceans on Jupiter's moons like Europa and Ganymede has ignited a new chapter in the search for extraterrestrial life. These vast, hidden oceans could hold the key to unlocking whether life, as we know it, or in entirely new forms, exists beyond Earth. Scientists are looking for biosignatures, chemical signatures that could indicate life once existed or might exist now. These biosignatures could be organic molecules like methane, or complex hydrocarbons, or imbalances in elements like oxygen and hydrogen that could be explained by biological processes. Europa Clipper, scheduled for launch in 2024, is a prime example of this exciting new frontier. Here's a cool fact most people don't know. Jupiter actually has rings. They're not as grand as Saturn's, but they're there. These rings are made up of dust and debris, left over from collisions between moons or meteoroids. They're quite faint, but spacecraft missions have captured stunning images of these delicate rings. Unlike Earth's well-understood solid iron core, Jupiter's core remains an enigma. The immense pressure and heat at its center make direct study impossible. However, scientists are piecing together clues from various sources. Juno, with its daring dives into Jupiter's atmosphere, is providing crucial data on the planet's gravity. By analyzing these subtle changes, scientists can infer the composition and structure of the core. The current theory suggests a denser, partially dissolved region, potentially containing heavier elements like iron and nickel. But it could also harbor surprises like exotic materials under extreme pressure. Future missions like the Jupiter Internal Probe concept, though still far off, could revolutionize our understanding. This hypothetical probe would plunge deep into Jupiter's atmosphere, braving the crushing pressure and scorching heat to directly sample the core's composition. Analyzing the retrieved material could definitively reveal the nature of Jupiter's core, offering a glimpse into the formation of gas giants and the early history of our solar system. Until then, Jupiter's core remains a captivating mystery, a testament to the ongoing quest to unravel the secrets hidden beneath the swirling surface of this gas giant. Jupiter's majestic dance with the Sun isn't a simple waltz. Its orbit is slightly elliptical, causing its distance from the Sun to fluctuate throughout its 12-year journey. This variation, though subtle, might play a surprisingly significant role in Jupiter's dynamic nature. As Jupiter swings closer to the Sun, it receives a slight boost in solar radiation. This additional energy could influence the intensity and behavior of its swirling storms, potentially affecting the circulation patterns within its atmosphere. The moons, locked in their own gravitational dance with Jupiter, might also experience subtle variations in tidal forces due to these changing distances. Studying this intricate choreography between Jupiter and the Sun allows scientists to understand how external factors can influence the inner workings of this gas giant and its moons. Imagine a cosmic ballet where the slightest shift in position can have a ripple effect on the entire system, a testament to the delicate balance of forces at play in our solar system. Jupiter remains a magnificent enigma, a swirling canvas of storms and secrets waiting to be unraveled. From its colossal size and powerful magnetic field to its captivating moons with potential oceans and signs of life, Jupiter ignites our imagination and fuels our quest for knowledge. As we continue to explore this giant of our solar system, we embark on a journey of discovery, pushing the boundaries of science and unveiling the wonders that lie within this magnificent realm. Thanks for joining me on this voyage to unveil Jupiter. I hope you learned something new and exciting about this incredible planet. Let me know in the comments below what surprised you the most about Jupiter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.